Aloha, Rich Halverson here. This is ITS227. And today I'm going to do, in this video, I'm going to do the first lab in chapter 2, the news article, HTML news article. So let me share my screen. This is lab. This semester, this is lab 210. All right, so in this lab, we're supposed to create a web page based on the news article about rattlesnakes and their babies. Okay, nice news article. Rattlesnakes and babies. All right, so shouldn't have done it. Oops. So I'm gonna open a new tab. I'm gonna open a new window. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this down here because I think it might end up looking bad. I don't know. Right? Anyway, your web page should include the following elements in order. It should include a title tag that's got this in it. It's got to have the UA logo using an image tag, which is this image. And I guess they give it to you. They give us these three files to start with. And then there's a bunch of instructions here. You got H1 tag, got a paragraph, got another image, got 4 more paragraphs with this one, this, and this. And then we have an ordered list. Oh, no, this paragraph is actually includes an ordered list, which is that. And then we've got one paragraph that contains these 3 links. All right, so let's start by downloading this file here. So I'm going to download it. I did it earlier. Okay, I'm going to put this. Let's see if this will work. I want to see if I can put this in my ITS227 folder. I'm going to open my ITS227. Here it is right here. Okay, great. Perfect. So I'm going to unzip it. I'm going to extract all. And this pops up, and it's just going to create this same directory name. That's fine. And it puts it there and opens it up. Okay, so it's right here, and it opens it up. All right, so and what we have to do is we have to take the HTML file. We have to take the HTML file and add a bunch of HTML to it. That's all we do. It doesn't even say use the HTML. Use the index. Okay. All right. So I'm going to put this over here, and I'm going to. This is the index.html file now. Mine has it opening. Mine icon is a Microsoft Edge icon. Yours can be anything. It can be Chrome. If you're on a Mac, it's probably Safari. Doesn't matter. We're going to open it up using a text editor because we want to add we want to add HTML to it. So so I'm going to open it with and I want to like Notepad, or if you've got on the Mac, you got some other kind of text editor program. You may have a favorite text. See, by this time, you guys are ITS majors. This is the 2nd year. You probably have a favorite editor. Okay, so I'm going to use what I think is a good editor, and that is Edit Plus is actually my favorite editor, but no one uses that. But a lot of people use Notepad++. So I'll use that one just once. And it opens up over here. Let me see if I can just go click. It's not working. Oh. One thing I don't like about Notepad++ is they update it so often. And practically every time you open it, it says, oh, do you want to do the update? Anyway, so this is what index, I'm going to close these older files that I have here. So this is what the index.html file looks like. And what's nice about Notepad++ is that it's smart enough to recognize that this is HTML, and it uses colors and so on to distinguish between the different types of tags. If you were to just open it up using Notepad, just plain old Notepad, open with plain old Notepad, you see it just looks like that. Either way, it doesn't matter. But let's use this Notepad++ because it looks like that. Okay, so now I'm going to put this over here, and I'm just gonna, I don't need that there, and now I'm just gonna follow these directions. Okay, it's got to have a title tag. Title tag goes right here. I'm going to do title, T-I-T-L-E. That's the beginning of a title tag. And it's got to have 5 things to know about rattlesnakes and their babies. Copy. I'm going to paste it right here. And then I have to end the title tag. Right? Okay, that's that one. The University of someplace logo is an image tag with the source attribute of university logo. That must be university logo. Okay, that's the logo. And an alt attribute containing, okay, so I need an image tag. Where does it go? Must go right here. Must go right at the top. So I'm going to put it right here. An image tag, img space source equals something, alt equals something, close the tag, and the source is going to be this ping file. That's going to be the source, and the alt is going to be the University of Arizona. Okay, we can actually see what this looks like right now. Let's hit save here. And I'm going to go back over to my HTML file, which is this one now. I wonder what it looks like that. Anyway, let's open it up using, well, we could just open it up using Microsoft Edge if you want to, but all right, let's open it up using Microsoft Edge, and it looks like this. Here's the title tag up there, and here's the universe. This is the logo thing. Okay, so that's how far we've gotten, and this is the path. It's on my desktop in my ITS227 folder, and then this is the folder that it unzipped into, and then this is the file. All right, so let's keep moving here. I need an H1 tag that's got 5 things about rattlesnakes. That must be next, and their babies. I'm just going to copy this and I'll put that down here, paste, and I'm going to tag that contained, don't need that. 5 things about snakes and their babies. H1. All right, that's the end of the H1 tag. And what's next? Oh, a P tag that contains this stuff. Whatever that is, or I'm going to put that right here. And it's a P tag. Excuse me. I had to sneeze. And I'm going to end the P tag. All right, that's the P tag. Oh, by the way, I'm going to save it and see what it looks like. So go back to here and refresh. And oh, look, it's coming along. What's next? P tag with arguably something or other something. Copy. And I'm going to put a P tag here. I'm just going to do paste because I'm going to start with a P tag. All right. And there's an NP tag. So put that right there. And we don't have, this is just an explanation thing. All right, that's the next P. And then we're going to have an article photo. And it's going to be an image tag with the alt attribute saying that. I'm really lazy. I'm just going to go like this. So when I did this earlier, make sure you don't include the period. Okay, in the alt tag, don't include the period there. You'll get a point off. You'll have to submit it again. So this, okay, so this here is my image tag. Let me do a paste. It's going to be my image tag. Let's see. Let me take this out of here. Image the source equals actually containing this. This is the source. It's got to have an equal sign, and this is the end of the source. I don't know if he has. I think take those spaces out. And the alt tag contains equals quote. Oops. Quote equals quote this, no period. That's the end of the alt tag. Snake bite on side of child's foot. All right, and then we have 4 more P tags. Let's see, I'm going to do the first 3 here real quick. Okay, because copy this, and there's more P tags here. You could paste. Okay, this was 1 P. Specialists, and we will ask. Okay, this must be the second P, and third P. There we go. That's the third P. Okay, so let me just put a P here. P and not P. Oops. I just do. And then a P. And a not P. And then, wow, geez, it's weird, this not P. And then the last thing, I guess, is another P. So I'm going to do a P. And a not P. There we go. So that's the 3 Ps. And then we have one more paragraph that's got this outside of any P tag. Oh, okay. Outside of any. Okay, so this is a 4th P right here. So let me do that. P, paste, and P. And then I've got this ordered list that's got these things in it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 things, with including the period. Copy. So right here, I'm going to paste the 5 things. Should use my mouse. Uh-oh. Hold on. This is in the wrong place, isn't it? I think this should be right after, arguably. Right after arguably. So let me take this and put it. Does this put it in my? Right here. Nope, didn't work. Undo, undo. I want to cut this. So I got to do Control X, or we do it on the Mac, and I want to put it after the arguably. after the arguably, then you have the image tag. Yeah, just like that. Okay, good. Let me save this and make sure. Let's see what this looks like. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that. Terrible snake bite. Okay, that's all right, what's next? Okay, the 5 things. Here, yeah, we gotta do the 5 things now. So I'm just gonna copy the 5 things. Copy. And I'm gonna put the 5 things here. And I better separate them out. So I'm gonna put an enter and an enter and an enter and an adult makes adult does that. And then the last one is it's a good idea to snake. Okay, very good. All right, so this has got to be an ordered list. An ordered list. Okay, so we are doing an ordered list, an OL. OL, an ordered list. And let's see, this is a list element. I'm going to tab it in. Okay. This is a list element. And I'm going to copy the tab also. Copy. And then I'm going to paste and paste and paste and paste. And then I have to do the unlist, the anti-list. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it and paste it and paste it and paste it. And then at the end, I have to do the anti-OL, meaning I'm done with OL. I'm done with the ordered list. Okay, there we go. Let me just save this and see what that looks like. Refresh. Oh, that's a nice ordered list there. Very good. And then what's the last thing I have to do is a tag that contains 3 A tags with content and href of, so this is the content, and this would be the href. Make it kind of difficult, don't I? And it's inside one paragraph, so I'm just going to copy this. And I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to do a P, and I'm going to just enter that. I'm going to do a not P. And inside the P not P, I'm going to paste that stuff. And let's see, I'm going to make it the A href equals quote, end quote, end href, Twitter, and then I have to end the A. Okay, and then I don't need this anymore, do I? And I think that's all they're looking for, but I'm going to put commas, put a comma here. All right, so now I'm going to, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this. Copy, paste, paste, paste. And I'm going to take Facebook and put that here. And I'm going to take LinkedIn and put that here. And I'm going to take the Facebook. Oh, I think this is just online. Cut. Put the Facebook here. And, oh, there's got to be a quote here, doesn't there? And then I got to do the same thing for the LinkedIn. And this doesn't have to be in. Get rid of these. All right, let's see, save this, see what this looks like. And refresh. All right. So this is what they told us to do. Okay, nice web page. So now I'm going to, that's it. So, oh, now I'm gonna save it. I already saved it. And I'm gonna go down here, and where is it now? It is right here. This is it, right here. I could, if I want to look at it, details, I can see that the time is 2 TS. So that's it. And basically I just take this and I drag it here, submit for grading. And what did I do wrong? See, I don't think this is all right. This is not right. See, this 10, this is misleading. It's that I did not get all the points because I got all the points earlier. But all right, so logo expected value. The logo of, I missed that. Okay, see this one I got. Oh, did I get all the points? So anyway, let's see. No, 9 out of 10. Okay, good. So the attribute of the first tag. So what is the attribute of the first tag? Let's go back to here. Attribute of the first tag, this logo thing is supposed to say, logo of the University of Arizona. That was a mistake. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to say logo of the University of Arizona. Logo of the University of Arizona. Okay, save this. And then now let me go back down here and let me paste it again. Take it and paste it over here and submit for grading. And this time I got all the points. All right, very good. You should be able to do that. So I'm going to keep these labs one video at a time. And so I'll close this one out and start the next one of the new video. All right, hope this helps. Thanks for watching.